Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a trademark symbol on your Google Sheet web on your PC or computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
How to insert a trademark symbol on your Google Sheet web on the computer, just going to show. So first of all, you just need to click on the insert option, but there is no insert symbol option present here. Instead of that, you can just use your keyboard shortcut. I have a two solution to this. So the first key is you just want to press Windows key plus dot symbol. This is one of the solution. The second solution was you just need to press add symbol, and also you just need to press 15310 okay. So first of all, I just press Windows key with dot symbol, which opens this dialog box. You just need to click on the symbol option here, and you just want to change to this general punctuation. In general punctuation, you can find this trademark symbol here. This is the one of the way that you can just insert the trademark symbol. The second way is you just need to press Alt key and type 0153 and just leave the Alt key. It automatically create a trademark symbol. This is actually a keyboard shortcut. You can use this two options to insert the trademark symbol on your Google Sheet web on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.